Good day everyone, I am JB Ryan and I'm taking Bachelor of Science in Information Technology at Southern City Colleges. So, the content of this video is about cybercrime. Cybercrime is defined as a crime where a computer is the object of the crime or it's used as a tool to commit an offense. A cybercriminal may use a device to access a user personal information, confidential business information, government information, or disable your device. So, what is a cybercrime? Cybercrime is a criminal activity that either target or uses a computer network, or a computer device. But not all cybercrime is committed by cybercriminals or hackers who wants to make money. Cybercrimes aims to damage computer for reasons other than profits. So next, what are cybercriminals like today? So cybercriminals are very professional and organized. Cybercriminals today are even able to be hired. Cybercriminals now have crime packs with business intelligence, reporting dashboards to manage the distribution of their malicious code. Then, what is computer crime? So cybercrime is also known as computer crime. The use of computer as an instrument to further illegal ends such as committing fraud, trafficking in child pornography, and intellectual property, stealing identities, or violating privacy. And we have what is computer forensics. So computer forensics is a discipline that combines elements of law and computer science to collect and analyze data from computer system, networks, wireless communication, and storage device in the way that is admissible as evidence in a court of law. Then after, we have the 5 top cybercrime, which is phishing scam, second, website spoofing, third, ransomware, fourth, malware, and the last is IoT hacking. Then we have the list of uncovering digital evidence, such as floppy disk, zip, justice, tapes, digital cameras, memory sticks, printers, CDs, PDAs, gaming boxes, network, and hard drives. And then we have the digital evidence. So, criminal hide evidence. We have delete their file and emails. Second, hide their files by encryption, password protection, or embedding them in related files. Then we have use Wi-Fi network and cyber cafes to cover their tracks. Then we have forensics undercover evidence. So in forensics undercover evidence, we have restoring deleted files and emails because they are still there. Then find hidden files through complex password encryption program and searching techniques. Then track them down through the digital trail, like IP addresses to IPS to the offender.
Nine, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
What's up guys? I am Florida Rosala at Jumadin, BSIT from Southern City Colleges. So, what is digital evidence? Digital evidence is a forensic digital evidence is a digital forensic is about examining digital evidence. And digital evidence is a data collection from the digital storage that is object for forensic examination. For a technical viewpoint, the evidence collection process can be divided into a handling device that are on and computer that are off. So there are two types of digital evidence: criminals hide evidence and forensic uncover evidence. So criminal hide evidence. Example: delete their and email, hide their files and encryption. Then forensic uncovered evidence. The example is restore deleted files and emails. They are still really there. So crime scene investigation. So what is crime scene investigation? It includes handling of crime scene and evidence. Crime scene. A crime scene is a location where an activity took place which is against the law and the land. So, the classification of crime scene. Classification of crime scene can be classified on various displays like sequence of the incident, location, and scene of the evidence, and the basic of type of crime scenes happens at a particular spot. Top cybercrime that attacks business. Example: Yahoo. The Yahoo data branch composed the personal information of about 3 billion users. Number 2. The logic bomb. An embedded code caused a massive gas pipeline explosion. So next is spam. So what is spam? Spam is a digital junk mail, unsolicited communication sent in bulk over the internet or through any electronic messaging system.
Hi guys! Before I start my topic, I will introduce myself. I am Limited Champion Betania the 3rd, 21, taking a Bachelor of Science Information Technology. My topic is viruses and worms. What is viruses and worms? Viruses and worms is a malicious program that self-replicate on computer or via computer network without using being aware. Its subsequent copy such a malicious program is also able to self-replicate. Viruses can be divided with a method used that infect a computer. 5. Virus. Worms is used the following technique to penetrate remote computers and launch copy of self. Social engineering, for example, email message suggestion that user open attach file. Spoiling, that configure errors such as copying and fully disable this, and spoiling, loopholes and operating system and application security. Viruses can be divided into accordance with that method. Use the infect computer. File viruses, both sector viruses, microviruses, and script viruses. Different type of alignment. Alignment is one of example of viruses, computer viruses, malwares, spywares, Torhas, worms are also these terms, referring to the same things. And the answer is technically. Technically, nothing are different, and we are gonna go over what the difference and whether is how the spread or what the things do your computer. So maybe it's just an curiosity, or it can help you protect your computer. Going forward, the first term we can talk about is about computer viruses, which usually the terms that most people use all the time, but it's not actually the most common type of malware. We'll get that in a lot, but regardless, a computer viruses is basically the name of the agente using the software that when execute replicate itself by modifying file. For other program is a possible including the operating system itself, so that way because this is a file are modifiable to know and include the viruses wherever that program of the operating system is started. Then it will also run the virus code, and this could be for any number of reasons, stealing personal info. Taking control of the computer is using computer power or storage for something some devices wanted. The next term might seem a lot bit similar, and that is a computer worms. So they are also self-replicate, but it also has a very important difference in that unlike a virus which need to be a manual run by user, a computer worms can spread itself automatically without user interaction. So this means it does not needed a host program to run like secured of this exe file that just need to run it. Can do it this automatically. It basically scan for other computer on the network that it can be infect, and then it does so automatically. Worm actually spread using vulnerability and explode of operating system themselves to infect all the computers in the network. So once one computer will infected, it scan like I said all that other computers on network. The next topic is hackers and everyone stealing data. So there have been plenty of the report in the news lately about large-scale data breach caused by everything from clever hacking to poor security practice to somebody that learning a flash drive or leaving some things that flash drive laying around, but once everyone's email address, password, and credit card number gets stolen, what actually happened to all that information? Deleting data for fun. There are a group of 16-year-old teenagers who has late at night actually hacking computer system of their school or cracking computer code, turning computer into zombie.
social crime, porn site, sending nudes in social media, and blackmail. Ethical white hat hacker exists too. So far, in hacker service is show concentrate mostly on the most nefarious. But now let's have a look of the using heroes of hacking, the protector of the binary data white hat. So who are these guys? The white hat is an ethical specialist of finding fault and system of patching up holes. According to Technolopedia, they are experts that are hired by companies or other entities to break into the system. Wireless fidelity. Wireless fidelity is a generic term that refers to the communication standard for the wireless network, which work on local area network to operate without using cable. And any type of wiring is known as LAN. Using antennas to create hotspot. Antennas bigger area is extremely constrained electric or magnetic fields known as hotspot. They combine two types of electronic magnetic complementarity. Hotspot internet access, sometimes free. Newport Harbor, all the boats are harbor have internet access. San Francisco Giants stadiums serve the web while catching a game. You must need to register, but it's free. Cambridge, MA, Philadelphia, PA just announced entire city by 2006. Hotspot is actually located where people can go to access the internet. Wireless with this mobile device such as laptop, table, and other more devices that can access on this hotspot. The Wi-Fi hijacking. What is Wi-Fi hijacking? This is a simple where a hacker use your session log on your already logged on, and then they are able to wiggle their way into take over your connection onto your network.